makeup lovers, it's me Sarah. Welcome back to my channel, thanks for being here again, and welcome if you are new. A very big thank you from the bottom of my heart if you click that subscribe button down below and the bell, because if you don't click the bell you will never know when my videos are up. This makeup is part of my 31 days of Halloween challenge, which means I've done a lot of makeups before this one, so if you haven't seen them, check them out and come back tomorrow for another one. If you want to see the pictures of the makeup before they come out on YouTube, you can follow me on Instagram and come say hi. Thank you. And yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna let you watch the tutorial and I'll see you at the end. Super excited about this makeup. I've been postponing it a lot because it's a long one. I feel like it's gonna be a long one. But I'm excited about it because I've never done a voodoo doll and I love a good challenge. So I just did a mask. My skin feels both super soft and tight but very dry, so I'm going to moisturize. Stop using your middle finger, Sarah. It's rude. I don't do it on purpose. I think I put too much oil and now I'm gonna be all greasy. Next step is primer. If you don't have primer, then you can skip this step, but if you want the makeup to last longer, especially if you're going to a Halloween party or a costume party, or you just want to wear the makeup all day at your house and you want it to last, you can use a primer. Stop using your middle finger, Sarah. Jesus. Now I'm going to, I'm going to block out my eyebrows. My eyebrow, just one, because I'm doing a beauty look on an eye, maybe this one, and then the other one is gonna be gone. I'm using glue stick. Sorry. And now to cover the eyebrows, you want to use compact powder. I have allergies today. So, next step. I need a crayon. I don't know what color yet. It's gonna be either black, white, brown, or red. And I'm gonna use a crayon to shape the heart here, and the eye opening here, and another opening here, like a hole, the opening on my neck. And I think that's all I want. I did a little sketch this morning. Now, it's really bad, so don't judge me. So yeah, color. Pick a color, Sarah. Perhaps I need to put on my glasses because I have glasses now. I got them yesterday and oh my god, I can see. All this time, all these years, guys, I needed glasses. Which is why I was using this really small mirror and everybody kept asking me, how do you see? I don't. But anyway, I think I'm gonna wear them. So I need to pick a color. I'm going to start with the red and shape the heart because that sounds like an easy thing to do. And my heart is not symmetrical, and you couldn't even see me drawing it. Okay, I'm gonna step back. I mean, it's not bad, but this side is smaller. Good. Alright, I'm going to add the opening of the eye here. And I want to have some cotton that's coming out of my face here on the cheekbone. I'm gonna follow the bone. I need a cut here. Okay, what else do I need? I think that's it. Good. That's it, right? No. Yes? Yes. Sorry. So now I'm going to use this, I don't know if it's foundation or what is it? It's called Mask Cover Makeup Palette. It's by Meron. I'm sorry. Mask Cover Makeup Palette. And I absolutely love the way it smells. For some reason it reminds me of school when I was a little girl. But anyway, if you have this, it's really good, but you can also use foundation, okay? So I'm gonna use the darkest one. And let's put it all over. This is gonna take forever. Alright, see you in 2 hours. Feel like I'm fake tanned. I'm going to set the cream with loose powder. Next step, I want to contour my face and my chest a little. I'm using a contouring palette. And I will apply on all the darkest shades that I have. Actually, maybe just this one because this is the same color. Alright, I'm done contouring and now I'm going to highlight with cream paint, and it's white. Right, I'm almost done with the contouring, but I want to darken it a little bit more, so I'm going to use black eyeshadow. Now I'm going to add texture to the doll. To add texture, I found this net here. I think it's called a net. It was where my garlic was in, you know. And I'm gonna use it to create some sort of texture. I'm going to apply it on my face as flat as possible. And then with a sponge, I'm gonna add a light color. So it's gonna make it look like there's fibers, you know, fabric fibers. If that makes sense. I'm going to use the same palette I used earlier, but I will use this light color here. I'm going to put this here. See? So, I'm blurry. Okay. I'm going to add color to the different parts that I created at the beginning. The neck, this wound here, this hole here, and the heart. And I'll start with the heart. So I'm going to use red. Don't be blurry, please. And I'm using water activated paint. Sorry, I'm starving. I'm going to paint the neck with black paint. I'm gonna go back to the heart and add details and give it more dimension and realism, and I'm starting with black eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna highlight the center of the heart a little bit, and I'm using white cream paint. I'm going to go over the edges and darken them so the heart looks like it's cut into my skin and it's a bit like deep, you know. I think I'm going to add all the different, you know, patches of fabric. I'm gonna add the black lines that separate the patches. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit more dimension to all the cuts and around the heart with cream concealer. Now I'm going to put the cotton that's coming out of here and here. First I'm gonna mess it up a little because I don't have the right cotton for this. You want to have like the fluffy ones, not the pads like this, whatever they're called. Alright, and now to glue the cotton I'm using spirit gum. Alright, so I've glued the cotton. Now I'm going to add all the holes where my... sorry, I have a hard time explaining. I'm going to add all the holes where the rope is going to be. Okay? Does it make sense? I think you will understand when I do it. Inside, I will add black. To add black, I'm using a black eyeliner. Now, to give more dimension to the holes, I will highlight them. Now I'm gonna use rope, actual rope. I'm gonna cut small pieces of rope and glue them here to pretend that it's holding the cotton. And now to glue the rope, I'm using spirit gum again. I'm putting it on the black. And I'm gonna put a little bit also on the rope. Okay, let's do the other ones. Okay, now I'm going to use beige water activated paint. I'm going to add all the fake rope. Okay, now I need to add dimension and realism to the holes, so I'm gonna do exactly the same I did here, which is put black around the rope. I'm using black paint and detail brush, and that's it. I'm almost done, I think. I want to add a pin on the heart because I'm a voodoo doll, so someone is supposed to be hurting me. I made gray with white and black water activated paint. I'm going to add a pin here. Now I'll add the red ball at the end of it. And now using dark gray eyeshadow, I'm going to cast, well, a shadow under the pin. Alright, I'm ready to move on to the eye makeup, but first I need to do my eyebrows because they are not looking very good right now. I'm going to brush them and then put some powder on them. So for the eye makeup I'm going to do something really simple because there's already a lot of stuff on myself. Just going to do a brown kind of nude makeup and put on lashes, and that's it. Alright, now let's add a wing black eyeliner. Okay, now I'm ready to put on my false eyelashes. Oops, I forgot to remove the glue last time. I'm almost done. I have 2 things left to do. I need to put on some rope here as well to hold the cotton, and then I want to glue a button on my eye, and I've picked 3. I don't know which one I'm gonna use yet. I like the red because it matches the color of the heart. I also like the white, but it's not really white. The wood one is kind of cool too, but honestly, I think I'm gonna go for this one because it looks good with this. Okay, I'm finished! Almost! Final touch, the button on my eye. I hope I will be able to glue it. If not, I think maybe I can hold it like this, but no, I can't. So I have to glue it. It has to work. Oh god, I hope it works. So I'm gonna use spirit gum again and make sure I don't have any in my eye. Please don't do this at home if you can find another way to do this, because I don't want you to end up with glue in your eye, so yeah. And now the makeup done! I only have 4 makeups left. I can't believe it. It's been 3 hectic months. This 31 Days of Halloween challenge has been one of the most difficult things I've ever done. I cannot even begin to explain why, but today I am done with this makeup and I am super excited about you seeing it. So please leave me a comment. I love connecting with you guys. Your support is what keeps me going, literally. So a comment, a thumbs up, a share, anything makes me really happy. It's my reward for all the hard work I put into my makeups. Anyway, I gotta go back to my normal self, so I'll say goodbye for now, but don't worry, I'll see you tomorrow with another Halloween makeup. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day and see you tomorrow.